are standing inside one of India's largest household relocation operations. Every day, from facilities like this one, Agarwal Packers and Movers moves the lives of thousands of Indian families safely, on time, and with something rare in this industry. But this is not just a moving company. Over the years, APML has redefined what logistics can mean. From proprietary trucking cubes that customers seal themselves, to smart vehicles engineered for zero-damage transit. Behind every move is a team of specially trained professionals, people who handle every item, from delicate flat-screen televisions to irreplaceable family heirlooms, with the same discipline that built this company. A discipline driven by precision, responsibility, and pride. Almost like military precision. For nearly 4 decades, APML grew by doing the hard things better than anyone else. But today, India's logistics market is being rewritten. For Ramesh Agarwal, the man who started this company with 1 truck and $48, the next decision may be the most important one yet. Should APML double down on its core strengths, expand into warehousing and large-scale B2B logistics, or step into the digital world, building a platform that could reshape the industry, even if it means becoming the very disruptor that threatens it today?